So the question comes right here, how PMP helps into the pharmaceutical industry. So over the past decades in particular, there have been a significant increase in the use of project management in the pharmaceutical industry. According to the recent study by the Center for Business Practice CPP, for only 45% of organizations they had survived because they have implemented centers of excellence for project managers and project management practices. Companies who had implemented the project management improvement initiative spent an average of $676,000 per year on them, for an approximately a return investment 28%. Project management is particularly helpful for providing a structure and a focus through the tumultuous ride from phase 3 clinical trials, filling a new drug applications, negotiating and obtaining FDA approvals, working with the Division of Drug Marketing, Advertising and Communications, that is the DDMAC, and navigating many options and choices through the early years of the product launch and commercializations. Coordinating those various processes from one phase to another, meeting timelines, and dealing with complex regulations is often a challenge during the drug development process. Project managers are able to assign the appropriate amounts of time and resources to each phase of the development, thereby ensuring the work can progress towards in a logical but controllable way. They simultaneously manage the potential and realize the risks, which is also focusing on the quality of the process and the product at each stage of development. Now, by managing the process in a well-planned and controllable manner, the project managers they can also assure that all tasks are being completed correctly in the first time, so no rework has to be performed, which could cause a delay to the project and its time to the market. So other benefits that can be considered from taking the PMP certification, now from the individual point of view, right, it increases your skills, your abilities, your knowledge, right, and provide you with tools and techniques that will able to help you in order to get a job easily, right. So whenever you go for an interview, right, when you're concerned about management or project management, you will be able to ask any questions from the theoretical point of view, from practical expertise. Again, if you're considering to open your own business, right, so you'll be able to have the process and the knowledge and techniques in order that will help you in order to open your company, and how to set your visionary strategies, and as well to build your tactical approaches and then to your own values. PMP as well, it helps also in increasing of higher pay. So once you are, let's say you're getting an X salary, right, you will be X plus 2 once you get a PMP certified. Now again, the other advantage when you are PMP certified, you will have a network channel in between project managers who are certified in the same category. You'll be able to communicate with them. They will be able to help you and aid you to get you a job as well. So other benefits as well you will get from being a PMP certified is that you can increase your income, right? Now let's say if you're working today as a project manager in your field of IT, and then the substantial time you lost a project and you're not working anymore, right, because there's no project that exists. So you can go ahead and coach others, project managers, right, who needs to become certified, in which you will have an income that's entering, an earning of an income earning to your side, and as well you are retaining all the knowledge you have learned through far, so it prevents you from any forgettings, and you have the capabilities of getting other project managers being certified. Again, it will help you PMP in order to how to perform a measurement performance of the team, how to build KPIs, key performance indicators, how to evaluate them, right, in terms of how to perform scheduling, how the team and how they communicate, how to cooperate. So in various aspects you will be able to measure the performance of the team by the aid of using the knowledge base you have learned throughout your PMP studies. Now, as well, beside that, the PMP as well, it will get you a great job opportunities. You might be as well, if you're looking to become throughout the experience with your PM certification to become a project manager officer, you will be able to be managing large scale of projects, or if you need to manage a program or a portfolio, you will have the skills and the knowledge base that will aid you throughout that, right? As well, you will be able to vigorously complete your projects by using standards, by using documentations, right, and that will as well record into your curriculum of the successful projects you have been delivered by using adopting standards, and you will feel yourself unique because you know the know-how how to deliver projects. You have the knowledge, you have the base, you have the conceptual talking of what project management is about, and you're talking the terms that project managers do use throughout their managing their projects, or when you're having a discussion about any topic about project management. Now PMP as well will make you to gain your invaluable experience. Now PMP, because it focuses from its requirements that you need to have 3 years of experience, that's equal to 4,500 hours, and to attend a course as well to have a bachelor degree. So PMP, it will give you all the knowledge base and the experience on how to manage those projects, right? And even if you didn't experience a lot of work environments, right, you will be able, through managing the standards that entitles you to work through the PMI rules, so it will let you to gain more experience on how to solve complex problems and also diversified project problems. Again, you can easily make a career switch. For example, today you're taking 10 knowledge areas, which are the scope management, your communication management, your procurement management, and the human resource management. As well, you can have the communication management. All of these specialties areas, you can specialize through them. So today I'm working as a project management, right, and I got a job as a quality manager. I can work as a quality manager because I have taken and certified through a course called quality management, which is part of the knowledge areas, the 10 knowledge areas of project management. If let's say I need to be a communicator, I need to be a scheduler, again I can also specialize in those areas. I can work part-time on these areas because I have the knowledge base, right? Now being a PMP certified is talking that it gives you a knowledge base, it gives you a skill set, right, that it will be able to provide you with self-motivation and self-esteem in order to manage a project with a high level of standards, and with even a more, you can say hypothetically, you can say that even you will be even knowing that I'm going through the right direction of managing that project with that methodology that have been used, and I know what are the dangers that could be, or the risks that could overcome that project predictively right throughout the project, and I will able to work out through a risk response plan before it occurs on that. So why Soft Academy? Now Soft Academy, we are equipped with all the tools and the necessary experience and the knowledge, right, that provides you to practice project management, right, as well to learn the conceptual terminologies and the technology that is required you to pass your PMP exam, right? So we do combine both the theoretical and the practical experience, right, to our candidates. And as well, we do provide our on-site as well off-site. So if let's say you are outside Cairo, we can provide you with online courses, right, and we courier you the certification, right. As well, we do provide with an aim to us is that our fees are not so highly. Fees were competitive pricing, or the pricing compared to other centers. Our main target is that we maximize our people in passing the project management, become PMP certified, and as well to reduce the scale of non-project managers, non-skilled project managers who they manage projects and cause a lot of failures, and they reach to the virus which is called disaster recovery. So we are trying to overcome and to overcome those obstacles to project managers. They can manage their projects in a standard and standardized way.